What's poppin'? This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Happy holidays. Maddie said what's good. You know what was good. Just do it. You see it? Let's get right into it. We're going to unveil these. I'm not going to tell you what they is. I'm not going to give you a thumbnail. We're just going to open up the box and everybody enjoy. Let's get right into it. Let's see what Nike blessed us with. Of course, get rid of that. See what's popping. Nice box. Tell you that right now. Everybody see that? Okay. Got up. Well, I'm trying to get it out, but the box is just about big as the box it came in. There we go. See what it is now. Quick strike. LeBron threes. Let's get into it. Unveil these things. Let's unbox. See how Nike did it. Let's see how Nike did us. Black and gold. The color for 2019 coming up. LeBron threes. Tell me what you think. Of course, leave a comment. Let's see. Let's get right into it. Got like a suede nubuck feeling. Leather up here. Like the gold, little gold tassels coming through the shoe. And you got LeBron name right here. See that? Everybody can see that? Nice black check with the gold surrounding going on the back. Then you got L23 for LeBron. Nice. Red check on the bottom. Check the shoe out. See what we got. Inside the box all black. Let's do this. Set this shoe up here. Yeah, it's better. Wouldn't have been right if I didn't leave a detail of the shoe. Nice. See on the front of the tongue, got the lion head. I told you kind of this nubuck suede material. Got the gold tips on the laces. Nice. Of course, leave a comment. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Yo, y'all know it. We love y'all. Stay strong. Double strong. We keep coming at y'all with that heat and content. We out.